You're not losing trades because of bad luck. You're losing because your RSI gain is weak. So let me upgrade you with sniper level entries and exits that hit hard. Using the RSI indicator, no guesswork, just precision. Hello everyone, welcome to PkMonivest YouTube channel, and in this channel we share with you practical and proven strategies on how to make money trading binary options and forex. Today, I'll be showing you the secrets of the RSI indicator and how to master it and close winning trades just like this. First things first is to set up this indicator, and we'll be adding the indicator to our chart. Click on the three icon on your screen, choose the RSI indicator, and once it's added to your chart, you're going to have something like this. Let's get right into the basics of the RSI indicator. The RSI indicator measures the momentum of the price action of an asset. That is how strong the price movements are on the chart. It ranges from 0 to 100, and whenever the RSI indicator is above 70, just like this, it indicates an overbought situation, meaning the price has overextended and is ready to drop, and you should be looking for a sell trade at this point. But whenever the RSI indicator hits 30 or below 30, just like this, it indicates an oversold condition, meaning the price is undervalued and is ready to rise, and you should be looking for a buy opportunity. When trading with the RSI indicator, the key factor is to always watch out for retracement, meaning once the RSI indicator hits the 70 or the 30 marks, the price often pulls back before continuing, and that right there is your sniper entry zone. Let's check this out. Right here we can see that the RSI had hit the 70 mark, and tracing downwards we can see that it was on a downtrend before pulling back and actually continuing in an uptrend. Let's test out the strategy on real life market conditions, which will be using the Euro JPY OTC market. As we can see, the RSI is already heading to 30, but not on 30, meaning the market is already on a downtrend. But we are expecting it to hit 30 to show us that it is already in an oversold condition, so we can enter for a buy trade, meaning we are patiently waiting for that retracement, so we make that sniper entry that is going to lead us into profits. And that's the edge that the RSI market gives to you. You wait for the market to enter your zone, you place your trade, and you boom. Right now the price is already at our zone, and that is the perfect sniper entry. So let's wait for profits. Our analysis was correct, and right now we are in profit, and that is how simple it is to trade using the RSI. If the RSI line is not on 70 or 30 but around 50, just like this, well, this indicates the continuation of an ongoing trend, but it is solely dependent on the direction of the RSI line. If the RSI line is heading downwards below 50, it indicates the continuation of a downtrend, just like this. But if the RSI line is heading upwards above 50, it indicates the continuation of an uptrend. Let's take one more trade on the NZD-JPY OTC market. We'll be placing a 1 minute trade on the 1 minute time frame. Analyzing the candlesticks, we can see that the market has been in a very strong uptrend, and the RSI indicator tells us that there's about to be a trend reversal. So we go in with a 1 minute sell trade. So now we patiently wait for the trade to go in a direction so we can make profit. And guess what? You already know what time it is, because right now we are in profit, and we made this possible just by mastering the use of the RSI indicator combined with studying the candlesticks. If you found this video helpful, then hit the subscribe button, comment, like, and share to those who might also need to see this. Register on Pocket Option with the link on my description and get yourself a whopping 50% bonus on your first time deposit. For free and accurate daily signals, account management services, and mentorship, click the link in the description to join our Telegram or WhatsApp channel. You already know what it is, PkMonivest, where the market moves, but we move smarter. See you again in our next video. Bye.